United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea. Article 154. Periodic review. Every 5 years from the entry into force of this convention, the Assembly shall undertake a general and systematic review of the manner in which the international regime of the area established in this convention has operated in practice. In the light of this review, the Assembly may take, or recommend that other organs take, measures in accordance with the provisions and procedures of this part, and the annexes relating thereto, which will lead to the improvement of the operation of the regime.